Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Vacheron Constantin Traditionnelle manual wind in pink gold or rose gold, a limited edition 270th anniversary with only 370 pieces made. I'll reference 82172-000R-H118. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of this watch, then I'll tell you about the where it stands in the lineup of other similar Traditionnelles. Then I'll tell you about the case bezel dial bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with just a little history. Now the Traditionnelle, as the word implies, is a watch that looks like traditional watchmaking back in the 1920s and 30s. Now what do I mean by that? Well, the case is very simple, so they went back to that same similar case. Now, it doesn't mean it was designed back then. No, it's mimicking that. And the name kind of implies if the watch was had a collection from 1920s, it would have a name. It wouldn't be called Traditionnelle because Traditionnelle implies that it is a traditional form of a watch, right? Like by example, if it was a Cartier and it was a Santos was made like, I don't know, 100 years ago, the first time, they would call it a Santos, right? They wouldn't call it traditional Santos because the name was created 100 years ago. So Traditionnelle just means that they try to recreate the traditional aspect of watchmaking from the 20s and 30s, but reproduce it in a modern era. And it was officially debuted in 2007. Okay, so that was 20 years ago. So that they could make a traditional looking watch, but bring it to today's standards. And that's exactly what they did. And they did a really great job of that. Okay. And over the years, because it's already been out for like 20 years, they've had many different variations. So we're going to look at the most simple variation is just time only, not even time and date, just time only. 3 hands, hour, minute, seconds. But what makes this watch a bit special is that it's a 270th anniversary, which was released in 2025. That makes 270 years. That actually makes Vacheron the longest standing watchmaker or major watchmaker. Maybe there's one more, who knows, but major watchmaker with a time span of 270 years. That's crazy long, very, very long. So it's right up there in terms of prestige with other massive names such as Audemars Piguet, Patek Philippe, and Vacheron Constantin. Some people call it Vacheron Constantin, some people call it Vacheron Constantin. I don't know. You can call it whatever you want. All right. Anyways, so that is just a little bit of history of this watch. Now, where does it stand in the lineup? Well, since this one's a special edition, which I'll tell you what makes it special in a little bit, they do make other ones that are 38 millimeters and rose gold. They just don't have this really cool motif that on the dial that this one does. Now you can kind of break down the Traditionnelle watch into the complication. This one's time only. They also make a time and date. They also make an open work, like a calendar. They call it open face. They make ladies versions of it. They make calendar. They make perpetual calendar. They make tourbillon, and so on. So they make a lot of different variations of this one, and yeah, this one happens to be the simplest. But that doesn't mean that's not a bad thing. It's simple, but it's elegant and is limited. So that really makes this watch hold incredible value. In fact, we're selling it at above retail price, which is $28,800 because you can't get it anymore. But we can get it at jazztime.com. It's selling a little bit above retail. So that's going to mark one of the first times, or very few times at least, that a Vacheron dress watch is selling above retail. In fact, for almost any brand, their dress watches don't usually sell above retail. You can even take Patek Philippe by example. Most of their dress watches do not sell above retail. Vacheron, to have one of their dress watches sell above retail is quite impressive. Okay, so that's where this watch stands in the lineup. Now let's start talking about it from the watch itself, starting with the case. It's 38 millimeters, which is on the small side. Now, it's not too small though. 38 is definitely okay for a man. Almost, I would say like 99% of men can still wear a 38. Yeah, it's going to be smaller, but it's a dress watch. And back then, dress watches were, actually the 38 was pretty large for back then, but now it's a little bit on the small side, but it's a dress watch. It's meant to be worn under the cuff and kind of out of the way. So it's a nice size actually, and most people are going to fit it just fine. And so what can we say about the case? Well, the case is a very traditional case, as the name implies. You got very smooth lines, a very simple bezel, nothing special about it, just a dome bezel, and then it attaches to the mid case, which has these smooth lines on the case. Just a very simple but elegant design, and it's also very thin. That was one of the main things about it. It's only 8 millimeters thick, which is definitely on the thin side, and they accomplished that by keeping a manual wind movement, which I'll show you in a little bit. But yeah, that's the reason. And it's all done in high polish, and it's very streamlined on the wrist, extremely streamlined. I'll also bring your attention here, pretty interesting, is that it uses curved lugs on the strap, which contours the case of the case, which I think is a nice touch to this watch. Makes it traditional, but they didn't do curved lugs back then, and now they do. So I think that's pretty cool also. Now let's look here at the next thing, which is really what brings this watch to life and makes it so special, is the dial. They don't make this motif sort of dial on any of the other Traditionelles. They call it a bespoke pattern inspired by the Maltese cross. So it just looks like a motif with some cool, a dial with some cool motifs pattern on it, which I think is really cool. In fact, they say it's inspired by the Maltese cross, which again, I think is a really cool thing. And it has running seconds on the bottom. If you want the non-limited edition version, it's just a flat dial as you would expect. And there's no real cool pattern to it. So they do a white one, which I think this one's much better. And I think most people would agree. You got different shades also on this pattern that make it look like I think 3 different shades, light, dark, medium. And yeah, cool. Speaks for itself, really. Okay, let's move on here to the movement. Now, the movement also is pretty darn cool in that, first of all, it's manual wind. And you might wonder, well, why would you want a manual wind? Well, it keeps the watch thinner. That's the first thing. And it allows you to have better visual of the movement because there's no rotor blocking the way. It's a reference 440AS/270. It has a power reserve of 65 hours. And get this, it has 127 parts. Just for your information, that's very little. And, people think more parts are better. No, I actually think more parts are worse because it makes the watch encounter more problems. And look, what is a reason to have so many parts if you can accomplish the same thing with less parts, right? So the less parts you should be able to accomplish the same thing, the less likely it's going to run into issues. So anyways, that's just my thoughts. But still, even without that, it's still a beautiful movement. It's nicely done, very nicely done. And it fills the whole movement, a whole case in the back. So it really looks like it fits this watch quite well. Let's move on to the strap here now. As I mentioned earlier, they did curved lugs here, which is kind of a new thing. They didn't do it back then. So curved lugs just makes the watch look all that much more streamlined with this really nice black crocodile strap. I really like how they did that as well. So, but actually you can change the strap to, whatever you want. That part's up to you. But yeah, and then also a very nice buckle here. The strap actually, it kind of looks black, but it's not. It's actually gray. It's a gray crocodile, and I think Vacheron really makes a really nice gray crocodile strap. So, yeah. All right. So where are we at now? This try this watch on my wrist and give you my thoughts. Now, this watch being 38 millimeters, to be quite honest, it could actually fit a man or a woman. I would probably say a man more likely would be wearing this because there's other feminine looking ones, but a woman definitely could wear this if she wanted. But anyways, most men will be the ones that will be buying this, and I like that it's a simple watch. I think its competitor is going to be Patek's 6119 Calatrava with a hobnail. It is also, which is also a time only, and it's their most basic piece. And I think this is a direct competitor. So look, if you want a dress watch and you're prepared to spend around $30,000, which is not small money for a dress watch, and you want it from a major brand, but you don't want to get Patek as a lot of people have it, this would be a very good alternative. There's only 370 pieces. It's limited. It still has the same craftsmanship, or I wouldn't say same, but very similar craftsmanship to a Patek. So for those reasons, I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.